Alright, gearheads, thanks for joining me for another episode. Today we're going to do something super basic. We're going to be changing the cabin air filter. These little things really add up, you know, to creating a good ownership experience. But quick, simple, easy thing to do. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get to work. So we have this rubber trim piece here. Just take this off. Super easy to do. So it's like a two-piece type of thing. Got our 7 little screws right here. Super handy. So we have our light right here. So see all these right here. 34, 34, right here as well. So much like in any Ford car, this is your cabin air filter cover, right? And then these little tabs right here create this like L shape. So what we got to do is unhook it and kind of do a little dance here. And there's a little latch. It's kind of, there we go. There's that one latch. That's the other latch. Okay. So you take this out. This one's actually not that bad. I mean, this is a fairly new truck too, though. But I didn't know what the previous owner did, and there's been some evidence that this used to be a ranch truck. So, away it goes. So this is something you don't see every day. It's kind of cool. Made in the USA. Of course, with foreign materials. I mean, there's a little bit of difference there. So, I'm glad he did it. Once again, the hooks. Now let's put it to the test. Definitely smells different, that's for sure. I believe it works. So it's important to reconnect this. Super tight now. There we go. This was super easy to do. The one in the Mustang is a total pain in the ass. You got to get all behind. It's just a pain in the ass. But I would highly recommend doing it for like 14 bucks or whatever it is. You know, a lot of the stuff I do is like major big jobs, but a lot of it is just small little things, and some guys and gals may not know how to do this, and so that's why, you know, I post it up. But if you guys have any questions about anything, or if there's something you want to see in the future, please let me know. I'm usually very responsive, and I'm more than happy to help you guys and gals. Thank you so much for joining. Please like and subscribe.